Welcome, this is Tarak. Today we are going to take you through the account opening process in MyMahotsav. Let's log into the home page, https mymahotsav.com, and on the top right corner you see the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, you would be presented with a detailed sign up form. Fill up your email ID, which you would receive all the future communications related to this account. A strong password is recommended. Enter your first name and last name. The nickname is something that you want to use on the platform to be known as. Enter the mobile number, which is an international format, which means prefixed by plus the country code and then followed by your mobile number. This mobile number would be used to send an OTP for an account verification. The date of birth, we currently do restrict account creation under the age of 13, and for under age of 18 parental guidance is advised. For approximate location, once you start typing your location, you would be presented with the options and you can choose the one. Read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy and hit the sign up button. There is a security process where you would receive an email with an account activation code. Please head on to your email ID that you just used to sign up the form. Over here, as you can see, I have received an email with the activation code. So there are two ways. One, you can click on the link and it would straightway take you to the account activation page with the activation key already filled in, or else you can copy the account activation code and copy paste there. Once you are done, voila, you are now successfully created an account in the platform. Log in using the email ID and the password you created and you are in the platform. On the left side, we have all the navigation places to interact in the platform, like creation of your profile, creating an event, and all other areas. On the profile drop down, you will find a lot more navigation area to interact in the platform in details. We would have a separate video on them, but so far, enjoy your account and explore the exciting features. Thank you.